Today is another big day because finally I'm switching to the macOS, which means I'm not going to use Windows laptops anymore, and for that purpose I have received my MacBook Pro. This is the M2 Max. You must be thinking why I got the M2 Max, because I wanted to have it as my main driver, and I got the 14 not 16 because of its portability as well as a lot of stuff I do. I have been using a lot of Apple products like iMac and iPads and phones and all these things, but MacBook Pro as my main driver, this is going to be a special one. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. As always, smells really good. There's nothing else in the box since it's just a delivery box. Okay, so this is the MacBook Pro. You can see on the back we have 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD, and this is the Apple M2 Max MacBook Pro. I love this feeling. The MacBook Pro itself, let me put it away. We have the braided MagSafe to USB-C, and I have designed by Apple in California. I have some warranty stuff. Oh, and I got the not 67, I got the 96 watt power adapter. And we have some black stickers. I left my fingerprint. It's very prone to fingerprints. I get to have some skin for this. Okay. Wow. It turned on. This is such a satisfying feeling. Hello? Alright, so I just set it up my MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna use it, have to install my favorite apps and the apps that I need. So that's it. I feel like I'm gonna really enjoy this one. Thank you so much. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.